Okay, here we are in Seattle at the 518 with the swing problem. Getting ready to start tearing it apart. First thing we're going to do is get the cable off the front drum so we can pull the laggings on that drum. Then we got to pull the side of the crane off over here so we can pull out the travel to get it out of the way so we can get to the swing. Seattle, Washington. This is the longest floating dry dock, the largest floating dry dock in the western coast of the United States. A little over 800 feet long.